Hi, you are now watching the OTOP series on every Monday morning. And pay attention, there is no other media group like Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp or WeChat that we share this market opinion. This valuable market opinion is only shared on every Monday morning in OTOP, only right here in YouTube. And this market opinion is going to help you do a wonderful stock pick after you do your homework. Stay tuned and I shall be right back. Hi everyone out there, this is the OTOP again on a Monday morning, 9 a.m. Singapore time and Hong Kong time. Welcome back. Alright, for this OTOP 110, which is for the week 19 September year 2022, alright, we shall continue to share on a good market opinion and stay tuned for the next 10 minutes and don't forget to share this video out with all the people. Alright, we shall do a small revision on last week. Well, we had some unexpected price fall in the Dow Jones. Well, and this week, what are we looking at? So don't walk away and stay tuned with us. Well, take a look at the small revision on last Friday closing. All right. Well, Dow Jones closed lower on Friday and lost 139 points, whereby the S&P and Nasdaq also lost some points. All right, and the WTI crude closed at $85 ranging from overall about $80 to $90 range, and it has a breakout above $90 per barrel in order to move into the next bullish trend. Well, spot gold prices fell a little bit and went below $1,700 per ounce on last Friday, closing at 1684. Well, gold prices is a little bit volatile now, and most traders are still looking to pick bottom. Okay, and that's for the commodity prices. Well, last week we had the US inflation figures rising at 8.3% on annual basis. 8.3% is so pretty. Was still pretty high, and the market traders were really worried about another rate hike coming this week, and hence on last Tuesday, US plunged 1,300 points on closing and moved the whole market into a bearish sentiment. Well, another thing to look for this week is on the 20th and 21st September, which is the Tuesday and Wednesday night, okay, in US hours. The US Federal Reserve is going to hold another FOMC meeting, all right, and most likely we are all expecting another rate hike to come with a minimum of 0.75%, or maybe it could be higher. Hence, I think this week is going to be a very tough choice if you want to trade stocks or even commodities due to a higher greenback value, okay, pushing against most commodities. So what are we going to look at this week? Okay, it's very important. Well, we want to still share with you guys. Okay, do your homework before you want to make any move. Okay, let us take a look on last week's revision on Dow. Okay, this is the ETF with 3 times leverage. Last week we are talking about these stocks on a Monday when it was trading about 55 or 54 US dollars. Okay, on Tuesday night, unfortunately, the market fell. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, and Friday closing was about $47.90. Well, in our own opinion, we would think it's better to cut loss on this ETF, since Dow Jones is now turning down very quickly, faster than what we expected, and also facing on the FOMC meeting on a rate hike coming on this Tuesday and Wednesday. All right, so it's good to stay out with a small loss, and we can always make back the money from selecting other good counters. Okay, and that's for the quick revision of Dow. So this week, what are we looking at? Okay, taking a look at the US dollar index first before we move on. Okay, and this is it. Okay, the US dollar index is now trading at near to 110 level. 110 level is a very, very high level, and that actually beat the 2002 prices, which means this is trading at a 20-year record high. All right, after the rate hike next week, it is very interesting to see if it can go higher to 112 which is super high, or maybe if it doesn't go up, being digested by the market and it starts to fall. Okay, so US dollar index, even though if it falls, we would think that it is still being supported in the region of 108. So whether it's 108 to 110 or 110 to 112, dollar is still going to be strong. All right, for September and going to October. So with such a high US dollar, what can we actually be looking at and to pick for this week? OTOP 111, and that's for the week 19 September year 2022. Stay tuned. All right, and we want to quickly show you one very important ETF again. All right, so exercise your caution. But before that, let's take a look at the US dollar versus Japanese yen currency. All right, if we look at a month chart, okay, as you can see here, this is trading at a high of 1998. All right, in the region of 144.5 is very high, and very strong resistance at the top, because the Bank of Japan could be acting anytime to reverse the yen value, which will bring dollar yen down. Okay, so it's very high now, although it looks very bullish and has been going up for many months. All right, so we want to take a small position in this ETF called YCL. Okay, YCL is a 2x leverage ETF in Japanese yen. So if you are buying YCL, okay, buy YCL, that means you are actually doing on a short position on the dollar yen, okay, which directly interprets into selling dollar and buy Japanese yen, because we are looking at dollar yen to be very topish. The room upside is pretty small, and in any time soon it's going to turn down. Okay, so let's take a look at the YCL, and it's coming. All right, let me see where it is. It is here. It's a 2x leverage price. You can see here. All right, from the super high previously trading at $150. Okay, 2011, sorry, and it's coming down. And this is the price of the closing at 29.87 on Friday closing. So, well, we believe that on a mid to long term, or even over short term, the risk is very minimal in YCL. All right, and it's good to pick a small position starting from here, because when yen increases in value, of course, dollar starts to devalue over the year, and that's when YCL has got a lot of room on the top side. Okay, so YCL is our market opinion for this week. The OTOP 111, and that's for the week 19 September year 2022. And this week, of course, if you want to pick a small position in the YCL anywhere in the region of 29 to 29.5, all right, you may be able to capture a good position. All right, and once you get in, the row on the top side easily on the near term, in the next perhaps like 1 to 3 months, we could be seeing 32 or 34. Okay, for the YCL. So don't miss us, and come back on every Monday morning 9 a.m. Hong Kong time or Singapore time or Beijing time. And one target, one purpose is always right here waiting for you. Last but not least, the digital equity time is right here. Stand by and come back again. Bye bye.